Good afternoon, everybody. Today's Saturday. Today, Krish is coming, including his sisters and family, and the beers. This is a load of towels. We're gonna turn on the power. So quick wash, normal white towels. So we're putting towels, normal storm, heavy, extra heavy, extra white. Let's do normal, temperature warm, hot, top, cold, cold, warm, warm. Spin, max, low, medium, high, and max. So 2 is the max. Time saving is up 44 minutes. Extra is 52. That doesn't seem a big load. We'll turn it off. There'll be plenty of soap. So yeah, Krish and his family is coming. So is his sisters, and I'll be. Okay, filled up the large dispense. I'll start to Samsung. So yeah, Leland through Leland through Liana's snow cone out the window. Shower sits down. Locked out. Wash. So that's helpful by subscribing. Thank you a lot. Leland and Liana. Come on. What the heck is it doing? Now, Jay smashed Leland's brand new. Okay, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.